Oh, hi everyone, this is Kikiliana. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to share how I usually make single crochet stitch. I'm going to use this yarn. This is soft textured yarn and this is my hook. It's 4mm hook. Before working on our single crochet, we need to make a foundation chains row. If you still have no idea how to make it, you can check my video how to make chain stitch. You can work your foundation chain depends on your project. Depends on the project you want to create. And for single crochet, we need to add one extra chain. Let's say if I need to do 10 to get 10 stitches, so I need to make 11 chains. And if you need to do 20 chains, so you need to make 21 chains. Okay? For today's practice, I want to make 10 chains. I will make a slip knot and 11 chains. Now I have my foundation chains row. Let's move on to single crochet. When placing your first single crochet in the chain, you always place it in the second chain from the hook, not the chain on the hook, not the first chain from the hook, but here in the second chain from the hook. So insert the hook to the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull it through the first loop, and now you have 2 loops here. Yarn over again and pull it through 2 loops. There you have your first single crochet. Let's do the next one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull it through 2 loops. Let's do it again. And this is our first row of single crochet. Now let's count the stitches we have here. And to count the stitches, you can either count the top side of the row or the front side of the row. Yeah, let's count them from the top side, starting from the first V here, the first V. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And to move to the next row, we're going to chain 1. Chain 1 and turn your work like this. Insert your hook here, yarn over like this. Let's count the stitches. I should have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you want to move to the next row, we need to chain 1 and turn our work like this. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Have a nice day and bye bye.